Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use caffeine effectively. Understanding your body's unique response to caffeine is key. Pay attention to when you consume it to maximize its positive effects. Also, be mindful of the timing, especially in the evening, to ensure it doesn't disrupt your sleep. We'll cover these strategies and more to help you get the most out from your daily cup. To optimize your caffeine, aim to drink it about 30 to 60 minutes before you need that extra focus or energy. Most adults should keep their daily intake to around 400 milligrams to avoid negative effects. And remember, taking occasional breaks from caffeine can help maintain its potency, so it works better when you really need it. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Quick recommendation. For those moments when you want to focus without distractions, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for diving into a good book. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. While enjoying caffeine, it's crucial to stay hydrated. Water is your best friend. If you decide to cut back, be aware of potential withdrawal symptoms like headaches and ease into it. For a truly powerful energy boost, try combining a small amount of caffeine with a short, 20-minute nap. It's a game changer for many.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.